Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of face painting with the Zenovika Face Painting Kit. If you're looking for the best face paint kit available right now, stick around because this might just be what you need. The Zenovika Face Painting Kit is not just your ordinary face paint set. It's a professional-grade kit designed especially for kids, featuring 28 vibrant colors including 5 shimmering metallics and 3 neon shades. This kit comes packed with everything you need for creative face painting adventures. It's made from cosmetic-grade ingredients, perfect for sensitive skin. Water-activated paints that go on smoothly whether you're using brushes or sponges. Includes 60 jumbo stencils, 3 precision brushes, 2 blending sponges, and 2 metallic glitters. A 39-page step-by-step design booklet to spark your creativity. I've personally tested this kit, and I must say, it's incredibly easy to use. The colors are vibrant and they set quickly, which is great for parties and events. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just use warm, soapy water or baby wipes. What sets Zenovika apart is their commitment to quality and safety. As a small business, they've crafted a product that not only delivers on creativity but also ensures peace of mind for parents. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your face painting game or searching for a perfect gift, the Zenovika Face Painting Kit is a fantastic choice. It's safe, easy to use, and promises hours of creative fun for kids and adults alike. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. If you've used this kit before, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.